classification. Short question. Give the basis of classification. Okay. So you already know who classification. Whitaker. Right? Hello. Kuni asa more voice? Any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Whitaker in 1969 proposed 5 kingdom classification. Okay. Next, give the basis of classification. That means what are the basis of classification? Mane in Assamese ki hoy? Kihor upor classification korisile. Okay. So, answer will be what? Number 1, cell structure. Cell structure means you know na? Shape of cell, next size of cell, মানে আকার দেখাত কেনেকুৱা হেতু হয়, that is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. I already given you the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, number 2, mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic. Any problem? Hello? What problem paisa?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, baki bro, mic to mute kar labo ko.
Probate. Students, mute your call, please. If you have any question, then you can ask me quickly, okay? For screen to what goal? Okay. So, number 2, mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition means what? Nutrition? Ki hoy? What is nutrition? What is nutrition? That is autotrophic or heterotrophic. Autotrophic means some organism they can produce their food by themselves. Okay? মানে হিহতে নিজৰ ফুডবোৰ নিজে প্ৰডিউস কৰিব পাৰে, হয় না নাই? For example, what? Plant. Autotrophic means, for example, plant, because plants can produce their food what? With the help of sunlight, right? মানে প্ল্যান্টে নিজৰ ফুড নিজে প্ৰডিউস কৰি লয়, হয় না নাই? কাৰো ওপৰত ডিপেন্ডেন্ট নহয়. So they are autotrophic. And heterotrophic means? Heterotrophic, they cannot produce their own. Okay. So number 3, body organization, unicellular or multicellular. It is also simple. Body organization means how the arrangement of body by the structure of cell. That means unicellular means single cell, uni, or multicellular means many cell. Okay, there are many cell in the organism. Okay, so number 2, list the 5 kingdoms with characteristic feature. So eto tumaloke agote paisa. These questions also I already given you, right? Number 1, Monera. Number 2, Protista. Number 3, Fungi. Number 4, Plantae. And number 5, Animalia. Okay. So number 1 is what? About Monera. Monera are the single cell prokaryotic organism. These are single cell, means one celled organism. Okay, like the bacteria. Like means, for example, bacteria, most primitive organism. Okay, so example of Monera will be what? Bacteria. Be remember. Hoday monot rakhiba. Monera example ki likhiba? Ki likhiba? Bacteria. Okay, so number 2, Protista. Protista are what? Single cell eukaryotes which include diverse organisms like the algae, protozoa, and the diatoms. These all are organism. Protozoa, diatoms. Okay, so these are also single celled, and these are not prokaryotic, these are eukaryotic organism. Okay, which include diverse organism. Diverse means different types of organisms are included in this you may call this classification. Okay, in protista there are different types of organisms are included. So number 3 is what? The fungi, the multicellular non-green heterotrophs. A few are unicellular, lacking chlorophyll, such as mushrooms, molds. So you already know about what is mushroom, which is edible, right? Mushroom edible hoy na nai? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what? Mushrooms are not green in color, right? Mushroom boto green color no hoy na nai? Mostly mushroom are white or like light brown in color, right? Because chlorophyll are not present in here, not present in mushroom. Okay, chlorophyll mushroom নাথাকে বাবে সেইবোৰ কি হয়? So for this reason mushroom are not green in color. Okay, hello, are you hearing my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
So in fungi are what? Fungi are not unicellular organism. Very important. Monera protista unicellular organism. Keep silent. But fungi are not unicellular. These are multicellular. That means many types of cells are present in fungi. Okay? Please mute your call. Again, these are non-green heterotrophs. Heterotrophs I already discussed you. Autotrophs means hello. Please mute your call. Next, number 4, the plantae, the multicellular green autotrophs such as the higher algae, mosses, fern, flowering plants. Who's doing sound? Tajing my bong. Okay, next, the plantae, the multicellular green autotrophs. Autotroph means what? These are green in color, and when an organism is known as or called as heterotrophs means these are not green in color. Okay? Understand? Means যদি কাৰোবাক heterotrophs বুলি কয় তেতিয়া তোমালোকে জানিবা these are not green in color. That means chlorophyll absent. Or if any organism called the autotroph, that means you should know that chlorophyll are present in that space. That means these are green in color. Autotrophs means সেইবোৰ green হ'ব colourত আৰু heterotrophs means সেইবোৰ green নহয় colourটোত. বুজি পাইছা? Okay, next, number 5, the Animalia, the multicellular heterotrophs which lack cellulose and usually exhibit movement like the insects, earthworm, birds, reptiles and mammals. The Animalia, these are also multicellular organism or heterotrophs which lack cellulose. Cellulose means what? Cellulose. That means what? Cellulose are absent in Animalia and usually exhibit movement. How they movement? How Animalia move? Animalia movement like insects. You know about how insects move from one place to another place, how they fly from one place to another. Okay, and earthworm like earthworm. Earthworm mane ki in Assamese? What is earthworm? Kesu.
Kesu, ma'am.
Yes, in Assamese word it is known as kesu. Hindit nezanu de. Birds, reptiles and mammals. এইবিলাক তো সব জানাই না. So what? Insects are reptile, mammals. These are included in Animalia group. Okay, clear?